Welcome to Unity, welcome home. It's a saying we love to say here because you are welcome here. Everyone is accepted just the way we are. Because we also know that God accepts us and loves us just the way we are. And that rather than seeking to change ourselves, to fix ourselves, we do all that we do to help us awaken to that truth within us that is being revealed through us, that we are holy, we are blessed, we are loved, we are creative, we are whole, we are home in God, right here and now. So we have lots of events and activities to help us know this for ourselves. It has to be a real personal experience. So we offer services, including an extra special Easter Sunday service at 10 o'clock Easter Sunday morning, sharing our Lent readings, our daily word and meditation, and some affirmations to take with us to conclude this time of Lent and to help us step forward confidently, joyfully, faithfully into spring and this moving forward that we're doing together. So do check out our calendar on our events page, all that we're offering. We've got another home retreat being lined up for May. We've invited Daniel Namod to hold a concert with us, which he's planning on doing with us in May. We're looking to begin an affirmative prayer group once a week to come together and experience the power of affirmative prayer. We have been having an evening meditation every night through Lent. We're looking to continue that one night a week to maintain the practice of getting still, of centering ourselves in God's presence and the divine within us and as us. So we also continue our Monday evening accessing the stillness with Isabel Compton, our book discussion group led by Paul Mapletoft. We have so much that we are planning on sharing with you. So check out our events calendar, go to our resources page. There's so much information we have to share with you. And know that everything we do is to help us know that we are home in God, we are home with God, that you are home here, you are welcome here. And we look forward to meeting you, connecting with you, praying with you, sharing our Unity faith with you. Bless you. Welcome home.